Hey y'all, it's Dani and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite a bit of time since I've made a video. I've had a lot going on. I've been dealing with some health stuff, nothing too serious, so don't worry. I'm feeling better and I'm just really happy and excited to get back to making videos for you all. Also, thank you guys for 2,000 subscribers. I haven't posted in a bit, so I'm pleasantly surprised, and I'm just, I love to create and I love being able to share, my art and my work with you guys, and let's just get right back into it. Especially now that it's holiday season, so there are so many projects that I'm going to be showing you guys, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or ideas that you'd like to see, please let me know and we will get that going. Vinyl Tulle Supply is the small business that I'm going to be featuring in today's video, and they were so kind enough to send me a few packages that I'm going to be showing you guys what I got, and I'm also going to show you a quick little project with one of the DTF transfers that they sent me as well. So thank you so much to the folks over at Vinyl Tulle Supply. I love your small business. She is so sweet, kind, and she offers so many different kinds of HTV, DTF prints. Let's get into it. Here is everything that I was sent. I was sent quite a bit of things. The first thing that I am going to take the tape off of is my tried and true, my old reliable Caesar glitter HTV. So if you are new here and you don't know what this is honestly my holy grail. I have done hundreds of orders with Caesar glitter HTV. It is compatible with your embroidery machine, and the glitter HTV rips right away from the stitches, so it's super fast, super simple, and super easy. Let me know if you guys want me to make a video showing you how to make a glittered sweatshirt from start to finish, including the sleeve, because they are not as hard as you might think, and I can also show you how to get your glitter HTV to be nice, flat, and perfect for orders and your clients. She sent me a few different sheets, and the crazy part is that I know these sheet names by heart. Like, I know the glitter colors by heart because I've been using this glitter for years now. This is dark walnut. I love that she sent me a lot of fall colors. I think that's really adorable. And the shine in this glitter is just amazing. Like, it's beautiful. Check out my Instagram if you would like to see how these stitch out and like what orders I make with these, because again, I've done and I'm still doing quite a bit of them. She also sent me burgundy, champagne, brown, and copper. I think this is beautiful. I love the copper color, and I don't get to use it but so often. Really beautiful fall colors. Like, this would be super adorable for a Thanksgiving design, or even a happy fall, anything like that. So again, this is Caesar glitter HTV. I absolutely love it. The next thing that she sent me is VTS 3D Super Puff. I have not used any of this with my embroidery machine, but the colors are beautiful, and it reminds me of the glitter. At least these two sheets do. So these are really pretty. Look at how pretty that is. That is absolutely beautiful. And this blue too. The shine is crazy. Just so pretty. So I will definitely be trying those. It looks like kind of not matte, but they're shiny and they're solid. So that's a purple, and then like a rose gold. Super pretty. And this is puff, so I'm assuming when you go to heat it, when using a heat press, it'll puff up. And then white and black. Okay, so I really like that she put a check mark next to the ones that I can use with embroidery. I'm assuming I can't use the super puff with embroidery, but that's okay. But then she sent me this holographic vinyl, which I can use with embroidery. I'm just thinking about like, what projects will I be able to get into with this stuff. This is really cool. This holographic. that shine is so pretty. This green, I might have to go birds. Sorry, I have to say it, go birds. I might have to do some kind of like Eagles or Philly design with this green. We love a good Kelly green around here. Okay, then she sent me some diamond dust, and this is also Caesar's diamond dust. I have not used this. I found that diamond dust is a little bit trickier to work with rather than the glitter HTV. So the diamond dust is thinner. It doesn't have that, it doesn't give that rip away from the stitches, but the last time I used diamond dust was a while ago, so I might have to try it again with a different design. But diamond dust is super pretty. It's just less of a sparkle. It's honestly like a light dusting of a sparkle, rather than that, you know, kind of more out there and striking sparkle, but it is super, super nice. Here is this lilac diamond dust. I think that is beautiful. So this is more of that BTS 3D Super Puff, and on this one it has instructions, which is nice. So it's an HTV that is easy to weed, easy to use, and only requires one press. Press and watch it puff up. Cool. Yeah, I have not used any of this, but I will be using it. This really pretty coral orange. Like, what should I do with all of this HTV? What should I do? So this is BTS Super Pop, and it gives the appearance of 2 vinyls, but it's actually 1. Okay. And I like that she gives the instructions. So if you guys order from her, which I highly recommend you do, because she has some great HTV in stock and other little goodies. I like that she provides you the instructions so that you're not having to go and Google them. So I'm really interested in this Super Pop HTV because it says that it gives the look of 2 HTVs, but it's actually 1. It's pink on the inside, and then it's black on the outside. Well, however, you know, you flip it, but it's pink and it's black. So that's really cool. I got some more metallic puff. This reminds me of like the Miami Dolphins. I don't know, this one doesn't have a tag on it, so I will have to ask her which these are. That's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This, I hope you can see it, but it's like this, what is it called? Like an oil leak. It's like an oil leak type pattern. Neon holographic as well. These are so cute. I hope this is focusing and you can see. These are so cute to put on like pen caps and everything. So I really love that she sent me all of these little notes. So one of them says enjoy your affiliate goodies, and then all of her links, which I will link in the description, of course. They also offer DTF printing services, which is great because I don't have a DTF printer. A lot of people have asked me about offering DTF, but I don't have a DTF printer. So if you guys are looking for someone to handle your DTF printing needs, definitely check out Vinyl Tulle Supply. And just to reiterate, Vinyl Tulle Supply offers Caesar HTV, heat presses and equipment, sublimation blanks and supplies, and blank shirts and more. So they really are a one-stop shop for not only HTV, but blanks, heat presses, everything that you guys see me use within my business. You can go ahead and order from them, and she will definitely hook you up just like she got me, right? So she sent me a be strong, be brave, be fearless, you are never alone. That is so sweet. That is so sweet and adorable. I absolutely love that sticker, and if anybody needs to hear that, definitely. I also got this Spooky Witch Social Club. Actually, these might be, I don't know if these are stickers or DTF prints. No, they're stickers. Yeah, I think they're stickers. I got a Spooky Witch Social Club Witches Be Crazy. So this is really cute. I love this, and Halloween is this week, so definitely gonna have to stick that on something. And then I got a Too Cute to Spook sticker. So she has some really adorable stuff and very trendy designs, very on trend, on brand. Is this cute? I think, wait, this is a gummy. I hope, I wouldn't want to eat that and it's not It's not edible. I think this is like a strawberry gummy. So I have to ask her because I don't want to put it, or it's an eraser. I don't know. I'm scared. So I'll have to ask. It might be an eraser, but it looks edible and it's squishy, but that's adorable. And then she gave me a cute little pen and it says, you are brave, you are awesome, you are worthy, you are unique, you are amazing, you are capable, you are loved. I know that's right. So this is really, really, really sweet. She's a really great small business and I highly recommend. I was trying to put my pen cap on. So cute. Then I did get a few more stickers. We all love bows around here. If you guys didn't know, bows are like all the rage. So I got this multiple bows sticker, super cute. And I got another one that says, you look so good. Thank you. And then this is the DTF print that she sent me. Oh, I have two. So she sent me one that says, you grow girl, which I just love, like, you know, those little phrases and sayings that are super clever. And then I got another one that says explore, right, just it says explore. And I really like these because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like she kind of knew my personality and what I would like. So I will be making 2 different garments with you guys in this video really quick and we'll see how they turn out. So with the 2 DTF prints that I was sent, I'm going to do a t-shirt, and this is just a Gildan heavyweight t-shirt. I like the heavyweight t-shirts more than the other ones because they can hold embroidery very well. This is just going to be a print, but in case you were wondering. And then I'm going to be using a jerseys sweatshirt, and I like jerseys for all of my sweatshirts. They have a huge range of colors and they're also very soft, and they don't pill as much, or even if at all, like other brands I've worked with do. So this is my Stahl's Hottronics Autoclam 16x20 heat press. It is an industrial heat press and it is absolutely the best heat press I have ever come across. I love it. I love how big the space is. I also just recently got this quick slip protector. The quick slip protector makes it so that you can put your garments on much quicker and take them off quicker, and it also makes it so that you can protect your lower plate-in and it doesn't constantly get worn from taking garments on and off. So I do have it currently set to 330 degrees, and I am just going to change the time to 30 seconds. If you guys do not own an industrial heat press, I would definitely recommend going and investing in one because they are absolutely a game changer. So I am just going to heat this really quick for about 10 seconds. Then we are going to take our adorable DTF print that was supplied to us from Vinyl Tulle Supply. And now I am just going to lock everything in place and press. So now I'm going to peel off my DTF print. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I was scared, you guys. I was scared I wasn't going to do it right because I've never used a DTF print before. Y'all, look at how cute these came out. I am so obsessed. I have never, this is my first time ever doing a DTF print. So now I'm like, should I start offering like DTF printed shirts and sweatshirts? Y'all, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, like this is adorable. I am so in awe of like just this. I absolutely love Vinyl Tulle Supply. She really captured my essence. Like I'm very girly. I love bright colors. This is super cute. Oh my gosh. I am absolutely loving it. Can you tell? Can you tell I love it? I am so happy to be back to making videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if there's anything that you would like me to show you, any projects that you've had in mind but you want me to try first, please let me know, comment, and give me some ideas. I do have a lot of content on the way and it will be coming, I promise. If you would like to order from me, please contact me at taodcontact@gmail.com. My website is currently down right now while I work on getting some new headshots and really thinking about how I want my website to be presented to you all and how I can cater it better to my clients. But you can always reach out on my social media. My Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are all at the Arts of Dani. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please like and subscribe. Bye y'all.